I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Imaging Edge Desktop. First, you'll need to download and install the Imaging Edge Desktop application onto your computer. This software is essential for managing your camera and images. Next, ensure your camera's firmware is completely up to date. This step is crucial for seamless compatibility and performance. Finally, prepare to connect your camera to your computer, either using a reliable USB cable or through a stable Wi-Fi network, depending on your preference. For a USB connection, begin by turning on your camera and navigating to its menu settings. Locate the USB connection mode and select either mass storage or MTP for proper recognition. Once your camera is configured, open the Imaging Edge Desktop application on your computer. From there, choose the remote or viewer option. Your camera should then be recognized and displayed as a connected device, ready for image transfer or remote control. To connect wirelessly, first enable Wi-Fi on your camera. In the camera's menu, select an option like Connect to Smartphone or PC Remote to broadcast its network. Next, on your computer, open your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network broadcast by your camera. This connection is direct, not through your home router. Once connected, launch Imaging Edge Desktop and select Remote to establish the wireless link, allowing you to control your camera. If you encounter connection issues, start by verifying that both your camera and computer meet the minimum system requirements for Imaging Edge Desktop. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your camera and computer can resolve minor glitches. Also, check your computer's firewall settings to ensure that the Imaging Edge Desktop application is not being blocked from establishing a connection. These steps often resolve common problems, helping you achieve a stable and reliable connection for your imaging workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.